Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the astronaut wall clock. My dad bought this one for me. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Something unique about this one, as you can see, it just looks like a regular clock on the back, but it has these moving astronauts. It says the astronaut spin with the seconds, quite cool. And my dad bought this one for me at Sunrise. And let's unbox it. Ready? So, wait, sorry. Grab there. And here is clock. So now you can see all the scrap has been removed. And first you get a view of the clock. See this is what it looks like. And now I have no idea how to get this out.
I would try the top by where the handle is. Like this. Alright. Or maybe it's the bottom. Try pulling this out here. Like this. Here. Watch. Alright. Just put that. Like that. And then pull this part down. Like that. Like that. Right?
Okay, now after we flip it over and then when we move it out, when we move the case out, here is the first view of the clock. As you can see, I like it, and it features a quartz moving it, and here it is. You enjoy it?
And it needs one AAA or
Yes.
one AA?
I'll check the box. Sorry.
Well, you should be able to tell by looking at the space in the back.
One AA battery.
Alright.
So, do you like the one?
Yeah. Alright. So why don't you put the clock down, take the iPad and do a bit of video on that clock, and I will go get a battery.
Okay, so there's no clock, we just basically unboxed it. Quite cool. It's an astronaut. Quite cool.
Looks like they've got it set so it's at noon. So should we set it to the right time?
Yes, we should.
So here, watch. Ready? So it's going to go around because it is 5 after 8.
So we're just setting the clock to the correct time. Then now the battery's going to go in.
So I'm thinking this is probably roughly... That's more 10 after, but anyway, I'll leave it at that for now. Now there's the battery.
Here we go.
Going in the back.
Can you check if this one is ticking right now? And here it is. See those astronaut move. You can barely hear it ticking.
And they're high above the earth.
And that's it.